Hey friends, welcome back to Nehemiah Stories. Last episode we saw God call Abram out of the familiar, promising land, descendants and blessing, and Abram stepped forward in faith. In today's episode, we will see what happens when faith falters and fear takes the lead, even after God has spoken. As God wished, Abram lived in Canaan, the land God had promised, but it did not welcome Abram with comfort. A severe famine spread across Canaan, and the journey of faith was suddenly marked by hunger, uncertainty, and fear. Sometimes obedience leads us into difficulty, not comfort, because faith must grow before blessings multiply. But the land God had promised now lay dry and silent. Hunger pressed in, and waiting on God felt harder with each passing day. And, without asking, Abraham chose a path God had not spoken. So Abram went down to Egypt to live there for a while. As they drew near to Egypt, fear began to whisper louder than faith. Egypt was powerful and wealthy, but it was not Abram's home. Foreigners had no protection. Rulers took what they desired, and a man without power could easily be silenced. Abram feared that his life would be taken because of Sarai's beauty, and fear began to shape his choices. In that moment, Abram chose protection over truth, hoping fear could preserve the promise. So he decided to hide the truth, asking Sarai to say she was his sister, believing the lie would spare his life. Sarai remained silent, trusting her husband even when the path felt wrong. When Abram entered Egypt, Sarai's beauty did not go unnoticed. Word of Sarai's beauty reached Pharaoh, ruler of Egypt, a man of absolute power. Sarai was seen, admired, and spoken of, her beauty drawing attention beyond her control. And Sarai was taken into Pharaoh's house, not by force, but by command no one dared refuse. In a land ruled by power, the weak had no voice, and Abram feared losing everything. And because of Sarai, Pharaoh treated Abram well, giving him sheep and cattle, donkeys, servants and camels. But God took care of Sarai. Strange troubles filled the palace until everyone understood that God was watching and protecting her. God remained faithful even when Abram was not. The promise did not rest on human perfection but on divine mercy. Pharaoh realized the truth, and Abram and Sarai was sent away unharmed. Abram left Egypt with Sarai and with everything he had. Abram returned to the place where he had first built an altar, and there he called on the name of the Lord. In this episode, we saw Abram trust God, and we also saw him struggle with fear. When trouble came, Abram chose a human solution instead of waiting on God. This story teaches us that even when God's people make mistakes, God does not stop loving them. He protects, corrects, and invites them to come back to Him. In the next episode, Abram faces a new challenge, not fear from outside, but conflict within his own family. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us next time as we continue this amazing journey of faith.